program today, we have the legend himself, right? Because it's a women's appreciation event and men appreciate women. So we have a man to come here and serenade the ladies with some words for you guys, okay? All right, we have Orvillethepoet.
Let's give them all the respect due. Let's go.
Oh man, shout out to the DJ. That's a strong intro right there. I ain't about to sing it all though, I promise. That is not my ministry. How many of y'all been to anything spoken word? Snap your fingers. Oh man, that's like 10 people. So all right, real quick, I just want to check the energy. There's a lot of beautiful women in here. It's a dope atmosphere. So however you feel about you, make that much noise right now. Okay, all right. We took showers and shit. All right, cool. All right, so I'm gonna start it off. Both of these poems are ode to women. Everything I know about love, family, and community, I learned from a black woman. All right, and I want to preface this by saying I have appreciation and love for all ladies, all women. But specifically in spoken word, I don't think there's enough poems specifically highlighting black women. Alright, so this first poem is entitled Black Queens. Black Queens, make some noise. Black Queens. How is it that you've endured so much tragedy, but still able to wear a smile as beautiful as your complexion? Lady, I admire you. Your strength's something I aspire to. And when you confident in yourself, we can honestly see a higher you. See, God the only being you answer to. And we so close sometimes we don't talk. We just sit and think together. Sending letters using our mental telepathy. Reading the dictionary every day to just sharpen our weaponry. No coincidence, this divine synchronicity. I love your authenticity. Your smile brings electricity. And I pledge today in front of everybody here at Barcode that our love will be social, but never available for the media. See, for this to work, we lean on each other and God, no codependent. Mom said, oh, don't fall in love, stand up in it. So your kids from their hearts will be able to sing freedom songs with no lyrics written down. Just our memories high above the clouds. You're always so fresh, but at the same time vintage. You're a boss like Oprah, but ain't scared to carry the shotgun for the fam like Harriet Tubman reminiscent. Paying homage to the women that came before black queens. How is it that something so strong is so soft to the touch? Your skin complexion, newbie and dream. It feel like blessings coming soon, and I love the way you illuminate my moon with your sun so we can see light even on the darkest of nights. Taking us to the highest of heights, you hold the keys to hold nations in your womb. And see, I remember I was in the streets dirty. You clean me up like soap. Your voice melodious and beautiful, sound like it was dipped in fashion show. Miss District of Columbia, you fashionable. And I genuinely love what you're working with. And ladies, we live to serve you because we are kings and fellas. That was the part for the fellas that joined in one time and give me like a Mustafa Ahmed star, yeah, or something. Shit, we in here, right? All right. Oh, he hit the ball already. I ain't mad at you. All right. And fellas, have you ever stared into your queen's eyes and saw miracles coming soon? And that first kiss tasted like answered prayers. And engraved in her palms were the songs your children will read. And humility wasn't tattooed, but it was a sleeve she wore with prestige. I mean, she'd be up studying for tests most nights. Use her breath only to speak life. And when that sun hit her melanin just right, she became angelic and soared to higher heights. I mean, this is the life. Maybe one day make you my wife. Free me from pain and strife in your presence. I don't want to do anything but enjoy your company. And see, our business is love, so you're the CEO of our company. And black queens, that arch in your back, at every single angle reminds me of how beautiful and perfect God is. To give us God is, who take regular sundress, make Empress royal garments, who make you feel like you got on Gucci, Louis, Prada, even though that shit straight from Target. This is just a black king. Let my black queens know y'all mean everything. That's that first piece. If you enjoy that, say cool. Just serious, just serious. So on Instagram, Facebook, all of that at Orvillethepoet. Orvillethepoet. Orville is spelled just like Orville Redenbacher, like some of y'all, Orville like the popcorn, just like that. Orville, T-H-E, not D-A. We try to teach kids how to spell, amen? All right. Also, I have a business. Any of y'all familiar with Busboys and Poets? Okay, cool. So I host at Busboys and Poets. I help curate things there as well. But I also have my own open mic, own business called Pure Poetry Live. You can follow us everywhere, but home as well on the gram.com and on Facebook. Pure Poetry Live. We have a show April 6th, every first Wednesday. If you love your mom, make some noise. Okay, I believe you. All right, so if you know like I know, every day is Mother's Day. Every day is Mother's Day, right? So if you hear some of yourself, your mom in this poem, I need you to give me some energy. Spirit fingers, snaps, yes, whatever you feel like, you know what I mean? Getting off your chest. And if you hear some of your mom in it, same thing. All right, we ready, we good? If that's good, say cool. All right, we good. The way she juggled kids, groceries, and dry cleaning, she be magician. How she hold baby, fold clothes, and do dishes. How she read, clean, and check your homework. And when bellies get the rumbling, she show you how the stove work. You misbehave, you get to see how the belt work. Make work, she said, that's right. Make work 9 to 5 seem easy like breathing. And still found time to surprise her kids every single season. Looking daunting, tan, straight, bold face in the eye. Tired as ever, frustrated but never cry. Hardships never cry. And even when relationships sank with everyone aboard, she never died. Her battle cry, be Junior. God don't give you no more than you can bear. Spend that early Langston Hughes in my ear. See, life ain't no crystal stair, but her crystal glare made me always feel important. Told me young I was a king and walked like one, and eventually a queen was coming out of dormants to your crown. Always smiling, seldom frown. She'd be amazing and hospitable as long as my homework was finished. She kept me reading and told me good grades of my business. I witnessed her not eat or sleep for more than 24 hours. Full-time at work and school, then coming home to a Ninja Turtle / Ghostbusters feud. And even though she was super tired, she'd scream aloud, put all down to rest. Y'all know Power Rangers rule. Not knowing she was training Rangers how to tap into the power God gave them. At all stages, giving advice. And in her last days before we lost her to cancer, she said, baby, make sure one day you find a wife. For the rest of my life, I vow to make her proud. On behalf of my mom and all the mothers in the crowd, let's clap it up right now. Thank y'all so much. My name is Orvillethepoet. I'm going to hand it over to the host. Clap it up here, host.